Welcome to GED Math Booster video number 21. In this video, we're going to work on finding the missing coordinate on a circle. Here's our problem. Based on the given points on the circle, what is the coordinate of point B? You see that we've been given coordinates for this point on the left-hand side, 5, 3, this point on the right-hand side, 13, 3, but we need to find the coordinate for point B. And our coordinate plane doesn't have a scale on it. That makes it a little bit more difficult to find the coordinate of point B, but we're going to do that using some simple math. First, we are going to find the diameter by subtracting the x values of the coordinates we've been given. What I mean by that is here is the x coordinate of this point on the left, it's 5. The x part of the coordinate on the right is 13. We simply subtract those values because those are on opposite sides of the circle, and that tells us that our diameter is 8, the distance between those 2 points. Now, a lot of times we want to find the radius when we're working with circles, and this is no exception. We want to find the radius by dividing the diameter by 2. That's easy. Our radius is 8 divided by 2, which is 4. And we can also diagram that on our circle. That is the distance from the center of the circle to the outside. Now, the next thing that's helpful in this problem is to find the coordinate for the center. And we can do that by just adding the radius of 4 to the x value of this coordinate on the left, because the center is right here, and that is the radius away from this coordinate. So the center coordinate is going to be 5 plus 4, 3, or 9, 3. Let's add that to our drawing. That is our center coordinate, and we are one step away from knowing the coordinate for point B. We're going to find that by adding 4, our radius again, to the y value, because point B is directly above the center. That means that the x value will be the same, but the y value will be 4 more. The point B coordinate is going to be 9, 3 plus 4, or 9, 7. And there it is plotted on our circle. We look over at our multiple choice answers, and there is our answer A, 9, 7. The key takeaway from this video is to find the diameter and radius of a circle to help find the missing coordinate. Once you find those two values, sometimes the diameter might be more helpful, sometimes the radius might be more helpful. They will allow you to find the coordinate for that missing point. That wraps up this video. I hope you found it helpful.